How to go from this to this. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making curly puntarelle alla Romana. Puntarelle are shoots from the chicory family called Cicoria Catalogna. In Rome, they are served raw and seasoned with an anchovy vinaigrette. If you tried them and they didn't curl, this is why. First, you need to buy the correct type of puntarelle. These short ones are from Puglia, called puntarelle di Galatina. If the puntarelle are too short, they will not curl. These long ones are called puntarelle di Gaeta from Lazio. The taste is the same, but if you want them to curl, you need to buy them longer. Remove the external leaves and keep the shoots. Cut the shoots into thin strings and place them in cold water. If the puntarelle are too short, they will not curl. A great tool you can find in Italy is the Taglia puntarelle. You push the puntarelle through the grid and they will be cut the size of spaghetti. If the stem is too hard, remove the bottom part. You can cut them all to perfection in no time. Now you can put the puntarelle into cold water and let them curl. In the meantime, we can prepare the anchovy vinaigrette. In a blender, add cleaned anchovy fillets, a clove of garlic, good quality virgin extra virgin olive oil, and a tablespoon of white wine vinegar. You do not need salt, as the anchovies are already very salty. It's better to use anchovies stored in salt than the ones stored in olive oil, as you never know what oil has been used. Blend and the vinaigrette is done. Now let's go back to our puntarelle. See how curly they are? While the short ones are still straight, like your hair. Drain the puntarella. Give them a good spin to remove all the water. Place them in a bowl and season them with vinaigrette. Once they are seasoned, serve them immediately. You do not want the vinegar to soften the puntarelle. You want to serve them curly and crunchy alla Romana. For more unique salad recipes, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I prefer them curly, like my hair.